We have to accelerate the banking union and revitalize the concept of a capital markets union in Europe. Bank loans may have been sufficient to fund the traditional economic growth, but not in times when also regulation limits the bank balance sheets. The capital market has become much more important and will continue to grow year after year. But to create the banks which Europe needs, we have to establish a larger market and actually a single market. This is necessary to facilitate both organic growth and consolidation among European banks, both of which are needed in the long run. If we consolidate, if we get digitalization right, and yes, I can't miss it, dear President Draghi, if we get little support from our European Central Bank with a normalized interest rate environment, then European banks will have it easier again to grow and also compete globally. And I promise we at Deutsche Bank will do everything we can to make that a reality. But it's not only about technology and banks. We need hubs which attract the best people worldwide. This includes many soft factors which are crucial for the quality of living, as we can see in Berlin, which is on the way to become a very critical European tech center. But we also need a real financial center in Europe. So far, it's been London. And London, let's not doubt ourselves, will remain important, but outside the European Union as it stands for now. Not surprisingly, there is a passionate debate about which European city should be at the continent's counterpart to London, New York, or Singapore. And you won't be surprised that me saying Frankfurt should be the natural choice, given the regulators have been here, the excellent infrastructure, and much more, as we just heard. And I'm sure Martin Zielke will agree. And maybe Mario Draghi, after living here for almost 7 years, but I also know Jean Lemierre will most probably argue that Paris has its advantages, and I have been yesterday there. It's quite nice over there. I think, to be very honest, we need to take this sporty. Competition will make Frankfurt and Paris both better. And we should remember, which city gets the biggest slice of the cake is at the end of the day a secondary topic. The overarching goal must be that we all develop a stronger financial sector within the European Union and within the Eurozone in particular.